2021. How about that? I hope you guys had a good Christmas and New Year's. I certainly did. I know some people had quite strict restrictions. One thing you might hear in the background is I'm going to look away a few times. We got kittens. I'll put a picture up, and they're helping me make drinks today, but also killing each other. Yeah, that's Sergeant Pepper, Eleanor Rigby there for you. Oh, they're causing trouble, so there's going to be some background noise. I think I'm going to have to take these toys away from them. But yeah, anyway guys, so first video of 2021, I'm just going to ease into it. We're not going to do anything spectacular or special, but I hope you guys are going to enjoy it anyway. This is going to be the Zesty Irishman. Now, Zesty Irishman has got a history, as all cocktails do. I personally do not know it. I cannot find it. I basically found a cocktail called the Zesty Irishman while I was just having a little look around. And then I was trying to find a history on the Zesty Irishman, and I couldn't find anything. So if you can do that for me, that'd be great. Maybe you can just sort of look it up for me, but I did my best. I couldn't really find much. But I've got a recipe, and I have trialed it once at the restaurant I worked at, and one of my bartenders, he actually made it. I just told him what to do, and he made it, and it was delicious. Apparently, he tried it and then drank it. So it's actually going to be the cocktail of the month for our restaurant soon. So I thought I'll share it with you guys as well. So we'll go straight into it. First always rule, chill the glass. We're going to put that straight in the fridge. Like so. And then we'll start with our Boston shaken. Oh, these ones. Perfect. So obviously shake and drink. So that's going to be what we're doing today. So we're going to start off with, I didn't write this recipe down. I made it, like I said, I haven't even made it once, but I'm pretty sure I've remembered it. So I'm going to start with 30 ml of freshly squeezed lemon juice. Straight in like that. Oh, that is damn it, perfect. There we go. And then we're going to go 15 ml of our Cointreau. And then we're going to go 45 ml of some Irish whiskey, hence the Irishman. So Zesty Irishman. We've got some Jameson Irish whiskey here for you. Big fan of Jamesons. If you've tried some of their other stuff, like their Black Barrel, super smooth. They've got their cask mates. If you fancy, if you like Guinness, or even an IPA, they've got two different cask mates where they age the whiskey in stout barrels and the other one in IPA barrels, and the beery flavours that come through, it's quite nice that it comes in. My favourite is the stout one, of course, because I'm a good fan of Guinness, as well as cocktails, but big fan of beer myself. So we're just going to put some ice in there. Like so. And give it a good old shake. I thought this might scare the cats, they're both terrified of looking at me. Lovely, look at that. Perfect. So, quickly get our glass out of the fridge. And we just single strain that into our glass. Some ice in there. Should have probably put the ice in first, but hey, 2021, all bets are off. And then all we need to do, probably put a little bit more ice in there actually. There we are. I can use my hands because it's only me drinking it. Yeah, a couple pieces of that. And then simply just top it with a bit of ginger beer. So it's going to be, oh sorry, not ginger beer, ginger ale. There we are. So that just balances it out, sweetens it up a bit. Got a little worky stick here. Give it a bit of a stir. And then to garnish, the way I garnished it at the restaurant I work at, I just pop the cherry on the side. Made it very simple tool. I don't have any cherries unfortunately, so I'm just gonna carve off a nice little lemon wheel. Hence that is one of the ingredients. It's always good to stick like that, just if it's one of the ingredients, that's what you garnish it with. There we are, just like that. And there we have it, the Zesty Irishman. Right, so that's how it looks, but how does it taste? Oh yeah. Oh wow. That's so nice. I understand now why my bartender drank it all. Oh, that's really good. Like full on, like, you know, citrus, but not like sour, like you know, drinking orange juice, or no, it's not like drinking orange juice, but that lemon and orange that's there, along with do you know what? Because I've just realized it's probably a little bit more, makes a bit more sense. It's like a cold hot toddy, you know, like that. So like, you know, whiskey, honey, ginger, lemon, that sort of drink. Obviously, there's no honey in this, but obviously the ginger ale's got that sweetness, the ginger as well, plus the lemon, plus the whiskey. It's just a cold version of that. I don't know why I didn't put that together. Yeah, no, that is delicious. Go on, let's start a few of those. Obviously, yeah, citrus, ginger's there, and there's only 15 mils of that, but you know, that citrusy flavour, obviously, you think 30 mils of lemon juice, you can just taste that. No, you can taste that. And obviously there's a little bit of sugar in there as well, so you know, sweetness as well comes from there and there. The whiskey's just, obviously it's 45 mils, apart from the ginger ale, it's the biggest ingredient. Yeah, that is delicious. I can't really put into like what else I can get out of it. It's such simple ingredients that come together so well. Wow. Oh my god. That might be a menu stayer. Yeah. Well guys, like I always say, give this a try. It is a very delicious drink, and hey, you know what, we're at the back end, you know, Christmas and New Year, you might have some leftover liquor, maybe someone got you a present or something with one of these in, buy the other one, and you know, ginger ale, everyone get ginger ale, lemons come in your shop, just, yeah, have at it. I think, obviously you can taste the whiskey in there, but it's not so strong. It's actually, I don't want to call it one of those dangerous cocktails where you can't really taste any alcohol, so you can just neck them, but that is, yeah, it's good. You get a good old sip on that. Yeah, give it a go, take some pictures of it, take some pictures of any cocktails you have, tag us in it. We've got a Facebook account, Instagram account, links will be below. Yeah, please, if you've got any other cocktail ideas as well that you want us to make, like I said, we've got a bit of a plan for the year, but you know, we're open to suggestions. So if you guys want to comment down below on cocktails you want to see, and we'll give it a go, see what happens. But yeah, like I said, links down below for Facebook and Instagram, and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. Cheers.